Guys, what's up? Check out this gorgeous white lifted 2012 Duramax on 35s, tuned, deleted, full exhaust. Check it out. Make sure the music's off. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. I hope you enjoyed the music first off. I'm pretty sure you did. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed the beginning of the video. If you're new to the channel, youtube.com/what's up, it's Mark. Thank you for dropping in. Hopefully you subscribed and hit the notifications, because when we post new stuff, you'll see it first. And with that said, this, my friends, behind me is a gorgeous truck, and I'm honored to present this. A lot of hard work you put in this one. Check this out. This, my friends, is a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 6.6 Dirty Max diesel. Ready? LT to the zizzle. Absolutely gorgeous truck inside and out. Beautiful set of wheels, beautiful set of tires, full 5-inch turbo back exhaust system. It's just a mammoth of a beautiful truck. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. You get a lot of HAVOC Off Road brackets, and let me go under here and make sure I know what I'm talking about before I tell you. HAVOC Off Road skid plate right there. Let me take you on. I'm going to take you guys off this tripod. Whoa, the tripod almost tipped over with my phone on it. Can't do that. All right, there we go. Good job, tripod. There we go. HAVOC Off Road skid plate right there. Okay, absolutely gorgeous underside. HAVOC Off Road torsion bar bracket right there. Absolutely beautiful paint. Fender flares, or the texture fender flares, it's all preference. You can texture them like this and paint them. My preference is to buy the ones that are paintable and paint them that way they match the truck. But to each his own. It looks good. I like it. It lines up absolutely perfect with the tires, maybe an inch past the Anthony scale. Anthony, big shout out to you, buddy. Hope you're doing great. I just saw your comment, and just trying to dodge through a lot of comments right now. I'm 6 foot tall. I stand right up to the top of the mirror right here, okay? Anthony's a good buddy of mine, guys. So hopefully you're doing well, brother. Peace out to you, and I hope you're doing great. Cap lights, EFI Live. As you heard, the full exhaust right here. We got about a 6-inch lift, I want to say it's on here, running on a set of Ballistics. These are 20 by 12 Ballistic off-road wheels. Super nice looking. Really contrasted well between the white and the black. I'm not going to get too far into it. Rough country shocks, all 4 corners right there, or on the rear, rough country shocks on the rear. These are a 35 1250 20 tire, and they're super nice. They're a rugged terrain, nothing too crazy. Take a look at the inside. Mirrors incorporated, turn signals right there. WeatherTech floor mats. Look how clean this truck is, guys. Look at the seats. No sunroof, no navigation, but who needs that any day nowadays? Really? Who uses their factory navigation? I don't think too many people. And I'm gonna tell you the miles, right? Let's go see the miles. Let's go check it out. Heated seats, cooled seats. I'm gonna end this video kind of quick so we can actually move forward. Here we go. Heated seats, cooled seats, like I was saying. Absolutely beautiful carpet, beautiful seats, no rips. The back seat probably has never even sat in right here. Full WeatherTech in the back, super, super clean. And the back seat is immaculate. So is the sun headliner. Miles, you ready for this one, guys? 88,096 maintained miles, and it shows. Absolutely beautiful. Just got all the oil change done and the fluids. Let's pop the hood, show you guys what the power plant looks like. And we're running a whole bunch of jazz up here. Upper control arms and skid plates and billet Chevy bow ties and cav lights and you name it. The fluids, absolutely stellar. Impeccable color, beautiful. We got an S&B cold air intake system. We got deletes. We have S&B cold air intake pipe. We have a whole bunch of goodies under the engine. And the best part about it is, what I'm going to tell you is this. The truck runs and drives phenomenal, okay? It's maintained, and good luck finding a Duramax. Oh, I got the hood popped in here. Come on, hood, where are we at? Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties right here. Ready? My hands are slippery as hell because I just put tire shine on this truck. And I want the hood to slam on me, so actually small, minor little rip right there. Nothing too crazy. Here's the VIN number. Boom. Hope you can see it. Underside. Absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice truck. It really is. Gas flap. It takes 93 octane only. Just kidding. Bed cover. Let me show you guys inside the bed too. The panels are absolutely beautiful. The bed's got a spray-in bed liner with a Tuxedo, I think. Or no, low pro, Tuxedo. Low pro cover, low pro. And it shuts really well and nice. So, rhino line right up there in the corner. Hope you can see it. This truck just got out of detail. If you have any questions, hit me up. 540-898-3025 is the main shop. SuperiorWholesale.org. That's SuperiorWholesale.org. There's a lot more listed on this truck. Click the link, click the description. It'll bring down the drop-down menu for the link in this truck. Absolutely beautiful truck. It probably is going to be priced, let me tell you. Whoa, I just dropped the phone. Holy crap. I'm gonna crack the screen. All right, I'm gonna get out the phone because my hands are very slippery as we see in this video. Go in the link in the description. The website will be there. The price on the truck, the miles, the details, and everything. Hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. See you later.